In the digital age, YouTube has become one of the most influential platforms shaping culture and reaching billions worldwide. Yet many shy away from starting a channel, deterred by the pressures of appearing on camera. What if you could make YouTube videos without ever showing your face? Well, the future is here, and this game-changing possibility is now a reality thanks to an incredible new AI video generator tool. Imagine having the power to automatically create entire videos from start to finish with just a text prompt. This futuristic tool harnesses artificial intelligence to generate fully customized videos including script, voiceover, music, and more. It sounds almost too good to be true. So how does this video wizardry work? This revolutionary software uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to analyze your prompt and create a tailored video script around it. Its artificial intelligence selects the perfect media clips and images from its extensive creative library to visualize your words. The tool even provides a computer-generated voiceover to narrate your content. Here's how easy it is to get started. First, go to the Invideo.io and register yourself. After registration, you just have to create a video and give the AI a title and a brief description of the video you want to make. Let's understand how it did it simply by giving the tool prompts. I went to the page and simply added the prompt. For example, I wrote, "Top 10 countries, developing countries which will be developed in the near future." Next, choose a video style and duration. Then let this AI take over. It will create 100% original scripts optimized for YouTube without plagiarizing existing videos. And within less than 5 minutes, you'll have a completed video draft ready for your review. So let's see what this tool generated as per my instructions.
Could it be possible that the world as we know it is on the brink of a seismic shift? Could the countries we typically associate with poverty and underdevelopment be the superpowers of tomorrow? Welcome to a journey into the future, where we'll explore the potential of 10 developing countries promising to redefine global dynamics. At number 10, we have Ghana. Known for its rich history and vibrant culture, Ghana is rising rapidly. With a stable political climate, increasing literacy rates, and a booming economy, this West African gem is poised to become an African powerhouse. Next, at number 9, we find Bangladesh. This South Asian nation is defying odds with its impressive growth in the textile and garment industry. It's also making significant strides in technology and infrastructure, proving that size isn't a measure of potential. 8th on our list is Vietnam. This Southeast Asian nation is a testament to the power of resilience.
Oh my god, the results are amazing. All I had to do was write a simple prompt and choose from a few options, and I got the full video without doing anything. This AI tool did the research itself and made a video of it perfectly. But the magic doesn't stop there. This tool allows you to customize the auto-generated video to perfection. Swap out the voiceover, graphics, and footage with the click of a button until you're completely satisfied. And the name of this revolutionary tool is Invideo. The benefits of this tool are immense for anyone looking to grow their presence and get their message out on YouTube without being on camera. It saves you countless hours of production time, allowing you to focus on your creative vision rather than technical details. No filming, editing expertise, or confusion over copyright issues. This AI-powered video generator does all the heavy lifting for you with just one prompt. It couldn't be easier to produce high-quality, visually engaging videos that capture and hold viewers' attention from start to finish. Unleash your imagination in any niche, from gaming to fashion, digital marketing, and more. This is the future of automated video creation made real today. Imagine being able to churn out an unlimited number of videos for your YouTube channel, brand, or business completely hands-free. What would you create if you could generate professional-level videos with a click of a button? The possibilities are endless with this futuristic tool named Invideo. Now that you understand the incredible power behind this futuristic AI video generator, let's dive deeper into how you can put it to work for your YouTube channel. The process is simple and user-friendly whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned pro. After providing your prompt, choose from numerous professional video templates and styles tailored for YouTube. Explainers, stories, commercials, intros, outros, you name it, this tool can generate it. Select your preferred video length ranging from 30 seconds to 30 minutes. Let's walk through another example of how to create a YouTube short with Invideo. Say your prompt is, Top 5 Tips for Aspiring YouTubers. Within minutes, you'll have a complete starting video. But let's watch what this tool generated first.
New to the YouTube game? Here are top 5 tips for aspiring YouTubers. First, consistency is key. Regularly posting content keeps viewers engaged. Second, quality over quantity. High-quality content trumps multiple low-quality videos. Third, interact with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, make them feel valued. Fourth, make use of SEO. Use relevant tags, descriptions, and video titles to increase your visibility. Lastly, be authentic. Your unique personality is your most powerful tool. Remember, YouTube success doesn't happen overnight. Patience and persistence are your allies. Keep creating, keep improving. Your YouTube journey starts now.
This one is really amazing. I personally like the video. From the script to the edited video, everything is top-notch, which clearly means you can use it for making any type of YouTube video. But what do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments. Simply toggle on the editor to swap out the auto visuals with a B-roll of someone creating YouTube videos to better resonate with your audience. Change the music to an upbeat track to capture your motivational tone. In just a few tweaks, you have a powerful video that looks like it took days to produce. This tool allows you to pump out 5, 10 high-quality videos per week, optimizing your time and creativity. The benefits don't stop there. This AI video generator creates content strategically designed to rank on YouTube and keep viewers glued until the end. Gone are the days of struggling with secret YouTube algorithms. Let the AI do the optimization for you. And the best part is you own everything the tool produces. There are no limits on using the videos whatsoever. The creative control is entirely yours. Imagine having an unlimited library of videos at your fingertips optimized to grow your channel and free up your schedule. The possibilities are truly endless with this futuristic tool. Here are some video ideas to prompt the AI. How to start a successful podcast. Top 10 mobile apps for digital nomads. Pro blogging tips for beginners. What type of videos would you create for your brand or business if you had a magical AI video wizard? This tool makes it a reality today. So what are you waiting for? Step into the future of automated video production and unlock endless creativity for your YouTube presence. The time and freedom you'll gain back are invaluable. If you want to try out Invideo's video generation capabilities yourself, don't forget to check the link in the video description for a free trial. I'd love to hear about your experience with this potentially game-changing new tool. The future is here. AI video creation makes it possible to effortlessly produce unlimited high-quality YouTube content. With tools like Invideo, you can optimize your time, creativity, and online presence. Don't let video production hold you back anymore. This futuristic tech allows you to focus on your message while AI handles the rest. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.